The Frigidaire dryer air code E4A indicates a problem with long dry times. This issue can be caused by several factors, including a clogged vent, a faulty heating system, or loading the dryer with soaking wet clothes. To fix the problem, start by inspecting the heating element. Unplug the dryer and check for damaged or worn-out components, replacing them as needed. Next, try unclogging the vent hose by removing it from the dryer and running a load to see if the dryer functions properly. If it does, this suggests the vent hose was clogged, so inspect it for obstructions. Remove any blockages, and reattach it to the dryer to test if the issue is resolved. Additionally, wringing out clothes before putting them in the dryer can help prevent long dry times. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further assistance.